Okay, last time we looked at these top three submenus associated with our calibration program, and in this case we've used each one of those in the context of our example problem. In this video we will talk briefly about these last three menus. The first menu, the pipe flow data menu, is used to input observed flows in particular pipes in the system and then use that information and adjust the C factors or demands or loss coefficients in order to match that actual flow in our program. And the way that this menu is used is, again, you put in a particular case, a particular pipe, and then an observed flow, and the program will try to adjust the C factors typically, not only to meet these observed pressures in our junction data, but also these observed flows. So this gives you another way to improve on your calibration, and as with the other menus, you can have multiple pipes and their associated flows associated with one or more cases. This fifth menu here is the system demand menu. The impact of this menu is in essence identical to this demand tolerance cell. The demand tolerance cell is used to specify a sort of global tolerance for all cases in the calibration effort. If, however, you want to be a little more specific and vary your tolerances for each individual case, then you can use this system demand menu to do that. And then the last menu is the loss coefficient bounds menu. When you input data in this menu, the program will then try to adjust the minor loss coefficient for that particular pipe in addition to or in lieu of C factors associated with the various pipe groups. So in this particular case, in addition to the C factors, I could actually select an individual pipe and put an upper and lower bound on a K factor for that pipe, or I could just use the loss coefficients by themselves, set up a bunch of pipes, and not even calibrate the C factors. In that case, the observed data would then be used to serve as a basis for adjusting these factors here. Alright, that gives you hopefully a little bit of an overview of how each of these menus are used. The next thing that we want to look at is to how to actually launch a calibration application, and in the next video we will be doing that using again our little example problem that we've been discussing and which has been coded up in these cells here.